Welcome to Learn Cantonese with Talkademy. This is your host Jasmine, and today we're learning how to talk about the days of the week in Cantonese. Monday, 星期一. Tuesday, 星期二. Wednesday, 星期三. Thursday, 星期四. Friday, 星期五. Saturday, 星期六. Sunday, 星期日. You can also say Monday, 禮拜一. Tuesday, 禮拜二. Wednesday, 禮拜三. Thursday, 禮拜四. Friday, 禮拜五. Saturday, 禮拜六. Sunday, 禮拜日. What day is it today? 今日星期幾？今日星期幾？ Today is Wednesday. 今日係星期三。今日係星期三。What are you doing on Saturday? 你星期六做乜嘢？你星期六做乜嘢？ I'm traveling on Saturday. 我星期六去旅行。我星期六去旅行。Thanks for watching this video. If you want to take your Cantonese to the next level, check out my Cantonese courses and ebooks on talkacademy.com. See you in the next video.